What's up yo? It's your homie Eiyan and taud-taud sa wala maka-upload og vlog no kay medyo busy sa trabaho pero karon atay time gamay so maka-edit og video. So last Sunday di ay nagpalit ko og something for myself. Onya ako gininggiw na ako na before ko nipalit for couple of months. Basic pros and cons. Kung magamit ba na ko siya everyday. So moto, nimpalit ko pag Sunday. Dili na siya unboxing guys kay since wala na siya sa box, ipakuha na ako and then na siya ang unit dere. It's an electric scooter. Brand niya is Ecoride 2 Gen 3. So mao to siya. Kung mangutan na mo nganong dili motor akong gipalit, first is dili pa ko ka-afford. So katong mga nagtanaw diha nga wala pa ka-subscribe, please subscribe para makapalit ta later on. Alright, so second, this is more environment friendly, so mo ni akong gipili and yeah, that's it. Ang sad ang ako ang video, magbuhat ko og full deep review about this product a week after riding this scooter. So guys, atangisan na ninyo, okay? For this video, ako ipakita ninyo kung ninyo my first full ride experience riding this scooter from here in Sambagono where I live to Mercedes-Benz Tower in Ayala Business Park where I work. Atong i-check, atong tanawon how road-worthy this scooter is. So much for the intro guys. It's your homie Eiyan. Let's go and ride this baby. So guys, nabot na ko sa office. Gikan ko dito sa amo around 11 or 7. Anak ko dari around 12:28. So around 20 minutes travel time at a normal speed. So not bad considering the traffic situation and the road quality. So after a week riding this scooter, I will upload another video, a full dive review about this product, and let's see how this guy performed after a week riding this. So long guys, it's your homie again, Eiyan. Kung wala pa ka-subscribe, click that subscribe button, like this video to encourage others to go green, and if you want to say hi or want to ask me something, put it down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching.